There is two charges. One is 5 nanocoulomb, another one is 20 nanocoulomb. They are separated at a distance of 2 meter from the question. Find the distance from Q1. So let's say this is Q1 and obviously this is Q2. From Q1 where electric field is 0. So as these two are like charges, it means obviously inside or in between these two charges somewhere in this line electric field will be 0. Say if I'm saying at this point, it means very close to 5 nanocoulomb. It means that 5 nanocoulomb is smaller. I'm not sure actually which one is smaller, 5 nanocoulomb or 20 nanocoulomb. If 20 nanocoulomb is smaller, it means very close to the 20 nanocoulomb electric field will be 0. So let's give me a comment. Which one is smaller, 5 nanocoulomb or 20 nanocoulomb, to inspire me to make more comments in my comment below. So let's see, this one is the point where electric field is 0, which is very close to 5 nanocoulomb. I'm considering Q1 is smaller. So the distance from the Q1 up to this one, distance is, let's say, x. It means from this point to charge Q2, the distance will be 2 minus x, right? At this point, electric field is 0. It means the net electric field is 0, or we could write down E1 equals to E2. It means that E1 is the electric field effect for Q1 and E2 is the electric field of Q2. So by the definition of electric field, we could write down the constant K Q1 over x square, constant K Q2 over 2 minus x square. So this K cancel out. Now we could plug in the value of Q1, which is 5 nanocoulomb over x square equals to 20 nanocoulomb over 2 minus x whole square. So this nanocoulomb, that nanocoulomb is cancel out each other. So we could write down x over 2 minus x whole square, and right side of the equal sign 5 over 20. So we could write down x over 2 minus x equals to, so here we'll get 1 by 4. So we could write down 1 over 4. Here we could write down x over 2 minus x equals to 1 over 2. So 2x equals to 2 minus x. So we could write down in the next line 3x equals to 2, or x equals to 2 over 3, or we could calculate 2 over 3 means 4.67. So x equals to 4.67 meter. It means It means from Q1 up to this distance, is 0.667 meter. It means that this 5 nanocoulomb is the smaller charge of this 20 nanocoulomb or Q2. Now, if you consider this Q1 is 5 nanocoulomb, obviously same as before, and now Q2 is minus 20 nanocoulomb. So this Q2 value will be minus 20 nanocoulomb instead of positive nanocoulomb. It means that this second charge Q2 will be negative. So this one is positive and this one is negative. It means they are attracted each other. It means in between these two charges, here, obviously electric field will be present. It means all this region inside or in between these two charges, electric field will be present. So where electric field will be 0? Obviously outer of this 5 nanocoulomb or might be 20 nanocoulomb, vice versa. Anyways, so let's consider at this point from the Q1 the electric field is 0, is X, and obviously from Q2 to Q1 the distance is 2m. It means from Q2 to this point distance will be 2 plus x meter, and this one is obviously x meter. So obviously at this point electric field will be 0. So at this point electric field will be 0. It means here the net electric field will be 0. It means E1 equals to E2. So the value of E1 by the definition of electric field, K into Q1 over x square, obviously the distance is x meter, equals to K Q2. The distance now is 2 plus x. So this will be now plus, right? Now obviously same as KK is cancelled out, and let's plug in the value of Q1 and Q2. So this is 5 nanocoulomb inside the modulus. So inside the modulus, so obviously this is not impact inside the modulus of this negative signs. It means nanocoulomb cancel out, and this one become x over 2 plus x, as this is plus, and same as before the math we have done. So this is 5 over 20, and here obviously 2 plus x, here 2 plus x, here obviously 2 plus x, and rest of the math will be changed. So let's eliminate all of these things. So this one as well. So what will happen? So here will be 2x minus x. It means x equals to 2 meter. It means from Q1 up to this distance will be 2 meter, where electric field will be 0. Hope you understand.